Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to enable or disable the Transmitter Group Noise Cancellation in your DJI Mic free in the app. Here, as you can see, we're in the application called DJI MIMO, and once you're here, tap Profile and tap Herewise Mic, go to Settings. Once you're here, scroll down. You should see here Transmitter Group Noise Cancellation. Tap it and tap OK. Your microphones should be vibrating. Now, as you can see, we have basic or strong. If you tap strong, you'll have it set to strong, and same as with the basic, but all microphones are vibrating, that we are signaling just the change. Don't worry. To disable, tap this switch to have it disabled. Tap OK, and that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.